Fred's favorite restaurant. That's the law, Fred. Oh, nice.
160. You want it to be honest, because I don't know if he's good.
You need the sun?
He came from Belgium.
Ooh, it's really hot.
Good? May part din na ibon talaga. Tsaka may ano rin na yung nag-aalaga. Siyempre, kailangan physically fit, tsaka mentally yung mga ibon mo ready lagi.